Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So there's a video lapha na ku Instagram ayamaqela mfowethu wami usamsele ukuqala uNdlunkulu playing nimntwana awemfatu wesi-5 uMakhwela elasiboni yami usamsele and Nkosi yami Ithando lami ketayena lo mntwana and her mom is just amazing. Because I know what people have been saying ukuthi we are pretender, no akamthandi, no we are pretender. She even said ukuthi akasemngani wakhe but vele akasemngani wakhe nje mina kwabo. And I think her love for Samge it's genuine because uhlala uSamge kumaqele ele eSpark. Hlala emvakashela bona umntwana even njenge-Mother's Day she was there. She spent her time AC Park with uMaxele and uMakhumalo and the rest of the kids laba labanqane. So uthando nje lakhombisa yena uthando le uMaxele akhombisa uSamge it's genuine man, it's genuine. Nifuna umuntu ukuthi welcome nokuthi amthanze njani. I know ukuthi some people are saying ukuthi hey uSamge is treating uMaxele ngazuthi mara in law yakhe, but no, I don't think so, and I don't think ukuthi uyamprethentela because man abengakaze amprethentele isikhathi lesingaka. And uyado Maqele ukuthi kuvana kwakhe na Samke wife number 5 kutobanyakula boMakhumalo and boMayeni because bona sekuthi bangafuna wife number 5. So yena vele abe close with the wife number 5. I think ukuthi she wants them to feel ukuthi yabona ukuthi ngafila njani uma nifika nitongena emshadweni wami, yabo ukuthi ngafila njani. So they are really close. uSamge and uMaxele, they are really really close, and siyabona ukuthi their relationship beyendwa ukuthi they bebabona mhlawumbe ema-TV or ma-camera, but even uthando nethembu sesiphelile, their relationship is still solid, it's still close, and still basuspend isikhathi together. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.